In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Photoroom web app to transform your images and bring your creative visions to life. So sit back, relax, and follow along as we explore this powerful and user-friendly tool. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to Photoroom's website by heading over to app.photroom.com. Once there, you'll find yourself on the home page, ready to start the image editing adventure. Now, the core feature we're diving into today is Photoroom's ability to transform images. So let's get started. The first step is to click on the Create button, which will open up a workspace where all the magic happens. This is your personal canvas to experiment and design, so don't be afraid to explore. Once you've entered the workspace, you're ready to choose the image you'd like to edit. Simply click on Select Photos. This will open up a dialog window allowing you to upload any image from your device. It's a straightforward process, akin to attaching a photo to an email. Just select your file from the browser and watch as it uploads to the platform. With your image now in the workspace, the next element to familiarize yourself with is the Transform feature. Click on Transform and you'll be presented with various options that'll let you manipulate the visual perspective of your photo. This feature is particularly handy if you're looking to fine-tune angles or adjust the composition for a more striking or balanced effect. One powerful tool within the Transform feature is the vertical perspective slider. Located within the tool set, the slider can be adjusted to manipulate the perspective of your image vertically. Dragging the slider will either stretch or compress your image's perspective, providing a unique way to alter how it's viewed. This is especially useful in adjusting photos taken from less than ideal angles or when trying to align the image with certain design elements. A few tips while adjusting. Take your time with the slider. Small, incremental changes can often lead to more natural-looking results rather than drastic shifts. Remember, the goal is to enhance the image, not completely alter its identity. Keep an eye on maintaining balance within your composition, making sure that your subject doesn't lose its essence. Once you're satisfied with the transformation, you can save your changes, ready to download or share your masterpiece directly from the app. And there you have it, a simple guide to transforming your images using Photoroom. With practice and exploration, you'll discover an array of possibilities to enhance your photos creatively. Whether you're a professional looking to polish work projects or just someone who loves to dabble in photography for fun, Photoroom is an excellent tool to have in your editing arsenal. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!